will be singing Everytime We Touch by Cascada. Here I go. I hope you like it.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dreams. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get the feeling, and every time we kiss, I can't decide. Can't you feel my heart beat? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel excited, and every time we kiss, I reach inside. Can't you hear my heart beat? So I can't let you go. I want you in my life. Say you wipe away tears that I cry. The good and the bad times, we've been through them all. You make me right when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get the feeling, and every time we kiss, I can't cry. Can't you feel my heart beat? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel excited, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat? No, I can't let you go. I want you in my life.
I hope you like it, and subscribe and stay tuned for my future and next videos.